disturb you quite frequently, but please don't mind, because that is going to happen for the good.
The BMZ project was launched today, the 1st of March 2021, in a special event held at Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong. The BMZ project brings together various vocational skills under one umbrella and provides training to youths of the region that will make them not only more suitable for the job market, but specially equipped to set up their own business ventures. The project is the result of the collaborative efforts and initiatives of the Bosco Integrated Development Society, the Child Aid Network and BMZ Germany, and has the Don Bosco Technical School in Shillong as the center of its operation. One key feature of the project is placement of trainees upon completion of their training. Some of the main courses under this project include textile and clothing, auto and auto components, building constructions, food processing, electronics and IT hardware, beauty and wellness. The program was hosted by Mibarisuk Jana, staff of BMZ, with a welcome address by Sinobia Langtang, project coordinator, Shillong Center. Present at the program were Father Genesis Wanyang, Executive Director of Bosco Integrated Development Society, Sir Matthew Dangmei, Project Manager, Father Saji Stephen, Director Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong, Father Arcadius Puwen, Principal DBTS, Brother Barnabas Kriam, Manager DBTS, teachers, students and staff of BMZ.
Yes, we have seen here in the right side a man called Don Bosco. So this is exactly what is going to happen, or what is happening today. So because of this man, the great man called our Father Don Bosco, the dream that he has for the young people has come alive today through the center called Don Bosco Shillong here. So this is the dream of the province of Shillong as well. The province want to reach out to the unreached young people to shape their future. That is what we are here today. And similarly, the dreams or the visions of BITS, Bosco Integrated Development Society, has the similar dream or visions for the young people as well. So this is the project called the Technical Vocational Education Training is all about. That we want to see changes in the lives of the young people. So this is a very limited project that we want to achieve at least, we want to change at least 10,000 young people, particularly in 3 states. That is Meghalaya, Tripura, and also Assam, part of Assam in Barak Valley.